Hello students, good morning, and I am Sangeeta Mansukhani. This is the video number 31, and in the last video number 30, I only given introduction about D and F block elements, and in this video number 31, I will be explain topic electronic configuration and oxidation state of first transition series. But one thing to say about this chapter it is very important. Reason, because this chapter it is very important, but also chapter number 9, coordination compound, complex compound, it is based, that chapter based on this chapter number 8. So please focus at this chapter, because D and F block element introduction given in this chapter, and then after you form easily coordination compound and complex compound in chapter number 9. So please focus at this, and every time, every year, both chapter related questions came in board exams. So please focus at this chapter, and this chapter it is very easy. So concept wise you learn, so easily do its questions. So let us start topic D block. I already discussed in the last video introduction about D block elements. Again I say D block element, it is known as transition series. So what is the D block elements? Last electron filled in the D shells, so it is known as D block elements. So all D block elements are not transition elements, but all transition elements are D block elements. Reason, what is a transition elements? If incompletely filled its shell, so it is known as transition element. D block have 4 series: 3D series, that is means first transition series; second transition series, it is known as 4D series; third transition series, it is known as 5D series; and fourth transition series, it is known as 6D series. First transition series we start from 21 to 30, and I already say this D block elements you learn by rough method. So in last video I already given as a rough manner of this D block elements. So first transition series it is known as 3D series. Reason, because 21 to 30 last shell is 3D. So first transition series is known as 3D series. Second transition series start from 39 to 48, and its last shell is electron fill in 4D. So it is known as 4D series. Then third transition series, last shell start from 57 to 71, inner transition series, that is means F block elements, but D series 71 to 80, third transition series. And fourth transition series 89 to 103, it is inner transition series, F block elements, actinoid, and 103 to 1112, it is known as fourth transition series. And in this chapter we have to completely will be study about only 3D series and 4D series, and question maximum came from 2 series, 3D series and 4D series. So don't worry. So but first you learn by rough method these 4 series. Then let us start electronic configuration and oxidation state about 3D series, because first you learn all 3D and 4D electronic configuration and oxidation state. Then after we have to start one by one concept wise. So first topic, electronic configuration. See, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration formula of D block element. See, 3D series. So n minus 1 d 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2 transition element. You learn this formula, n minus 1 d 1 to 10 ns 1 2. And then first transition series you learn STV, CMF, STV, CMF, CN, CZ. Otherwise you learn this way: STV, CMF, CN, CZ. S means 21 number. First you write atomic number 21 to 30. Then you write element. Element you learn this way: STV, CMF, CN, CZ. S, scandium. T, titanium. V, vanadium. Again C, chromium. M, manganese. F, iron. C, cobalt. N, nickel. C, copper. And Z, zinc. So first you write atomic number, then write atomic element symbol, and then its name by this rough method: STV, CMF, CN, CZ. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Then we start formula transition element 3D series: n minus 1 d 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2. So last shell is 3D. So scandium 21. So first noble gas written as an organ. So organ 3D1 4s2. 3D1. So general formula of D block element electronic configuration: n minus 1 d 1 to 10 ns 1 to 2. So first transition series electronic configuration: organ 3D1 4s2. C, last electron filled in 3D. So it is series known as 3D series. 3D1 4s2. And last D and 4s, how many electrons filled? 1 and 2, 3. So its oxidation state plus 3. Then titanium. Titanium you see 22. So electron, 1 electron extra in 3D. 3D2 4s2. And 3D2 4s2, so its oxidation state you learn plus 2 maybe, plus 3 and plus 4. But main in bracket it is main plus 4. 23, sorry. So 3D3 4s2. So 3D3 4s2, so maybe plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. But in bracket plus 4 it is stable oxidation state. Then 24, chromium, Cr, organ 3D5 4s1. We have to fill 3D4 4s2, but whenever one extra electron filled in D, because D10, so D5 and D10, it is stable way. So D5 we have to fill. Comparison, then we have to fill 3D4 4s2. So one electron jump in 3D, so it's stable half filled and full filled. Half filled is D5 and full filled is D10. So half filled and full filled, 3D5. So 3D4 4s2 comparison, then one electron jump (3D5 4s1). So electron fill plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. So oxidation state stable, it's plus 2, plus 3 and plus 6. Then manganese 3D5 half filled, it is stable. So one electron jump in S. So completely fulfilled 3d5 and 4s2. Manganese, it is very important because it's D shell and S shell. D shell half filled completely and S full filled, and that is means more stable comparison than other. And its oxidation state +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7 because 7 electrons, D5 and 2. So 7, so its oxidation start from +2, +7, and it's +2 and +7, it is stable oxidation state. Iron is 26th. So organ 3d6 4s2, so 8 electron, so +2, +3, +4, +5 and +6 because D is 6 electrons. Cobalt 3d7 4s2, so 7 and 2, but last electron you have to see after 5 2 electron, so 7 and 2 9 total electron because organ is 20. So +2, +3 and +4 its oxidation state. So +2 and +3 its stable state. Then nickel is 28, so easily have to fill 3d8 and 4s2. So its oxidation state +2, +3 and +4. +2 its oxidation state is stable. Then in last way 29 30, like see, starting 21 and 22 scandium and titanium, intermediate manganese, chromium and manganese, and in the last copper and zinc. So this six element, it is very important. Copper is, we have to fill 3d9 and 4s2, but we have to fill comparison than 3d9, we have to 1 electron jump in D because full filled condition obtained. So 3d10 4s1 because half filled D5 and D10 full filled. Half filled and full filled condition is stable, that is means its energy high. So 3d10 4s1, so we have to fill 3d10 4s1 comparison then 3d9 4s2. And in the last outer shell 1 electron in S, so +1 and maybe sometime +2. It is where oxidation state of copper. And last is zinc, 3d10 completely filled, 4s6, both are full filled, 3d10 4s2, and always outer shell 2 electrons, so +2, so its oxidation state +2. So you focus at 6 elements, first 21 to 22 scandium and titanium, intermediate chromium and manganese, and last copper and zinc. So first you learn properly with electronic configuration, then first you learn by rough method table learn, then element, symbol, atomic number, then start electronic configuration, and then oxidation state. So one by one I will be explained, so please focus at this chapter and one by one series. So I will be explained in the next video, next topic. Thank you so much.